Manang Grace and I are not alone today. We're joined by ladies from the Philippines. It's a special day at the garden because the corn is ready. It's harvest time for the corn. We're cooking something with corn and of course Ampalaya. And it's Ampalaya leaves galore. We're adding it as well to mongo guisado. Join us here at the garden for fun, some learning, and some soup, corn soup with Ampalaya leaves. Hello, welcome to the garden, and we have special guests today, my friends from the Philippines. Look at this beauties. They'll be cooking something very familiar. Not very familiar. The two ladies from Pangasinan, they don't know it. I don't know why, but our lady from the south, from the southern Tagalog knows it. Anong lulutuin natin, Leah? What are we cooking?
SUAM.
SUAM.
Ano yun?
SUAM na mais.
SUAM na mais.
Sa mga mauragon nating friend from Bicol, it's called ginare. To the Ilocanos, it's sinipsip. Enjoy our recipe today. And as always, everything is freshly harvested from our garden here on Channel 1.
You're watching Channel 1 Kitchen and Garden, a channel dedicated to garden to plate experience. In this channel we grow, cook and share.
Let's join Romilo and friends at the garden. It's a special day. And today's traditional cook, it's Leah from Batangas, accompanied by our two ladies from Pangasinan, Wiggy and Lynn. Let's enjoy this presentation. All our ingredients here are grown on site, including this garlic. This dish is very simple. That's why we won't be explaining all the steps. Just watch and learn and enjoy. If you are new to this channel, this is not our usual format. This is a special day. But if you enjoy gardening and cooking content, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon so that you won't miss updates every Wednesday and Friday. It's worth noting that for this recipe, the younger the corn is, the better. That's why we choose. This is the very first harvest, by the way, and the corns are still very young. Leah uses less oil than I do, something I learned today. And did you notice how she sliced the onions? Very pro. We're fortunate to have shrimps today, so we added this shrimps on the shell, but deveined. It tastes better with the heads on. In no time, the corn is added. And Leah even watered down the corn to get all the flavors. Precious flavors. Thank you, Leah, for showing that. And salt. Oh, did I say salt? Pepper. We don't need salt because the patis or the fish sauce is already salty. The corn cooks, I think, in just 10 minutes or less, and it's time to add the Ampalaya leaves Jara, more ampalaya leaves galore. The rest will be adding to the mongo guisado or balatong. Look.
Ampalaya. Ampalaya. Then,
Let's listen to Leah.
halo-halo.
Basta mo na. Basta ko lang na.
Haluin natin tapos na to.
Oo, pwede yan.
Ito na yung ating SUAM.
Yes, Leah just said it's cooked. You saw how easy it is. It's time for tasting. A portion for everyone.
Ano lang siya?
Oh my God.
Parang soup. Soup lang
I
talaga
told you.
siya. Pero sa atin, ang ginagamit, yung puti.
sarap.
Yung puti na mais sa atin. Ikaw, Romy.
Gusto ko rin.
Delicious.
Ang
Lalo
sarap.
pag sa ganitong weather, no?
Oo, ganito, di ba? Yan.
Before the rain gets harder, thank you for joining us. It's really delicious. Swam na mais,
SUAM na
SUAM na
mais.
ginarip or sinipsip.
Sinipsip.
Lekker, delicious.
Yeah. Thank you. Give a share to our cameraman also before he gets with. Again, thank you.
Thank you.
And on behalf of my friends here. I hope you were inspired to cook something simple like this. And you enjoyed our video. Our special thanks to our cook today, Leah of Batangas. Thank you for sharing your recipe to the world. Again, if you enjoyed our video and our content, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon so that you won't miss any upcoming upload. And see you on our next video. Until next time. We would like to leave you now with some bonus clips on this special Harvest Day. Romulo here from Holland.
Sa munggo. No.
Sige. Abala ka na dyan, ha? Sige.
Malay ko.
Ang ganda, ano, ang sarap mag-picnic, ano, ate.
Oh my God.
Si nanay lagi na itong pit.